अगर आपके पास 10,000 है तो आप 10,000 के शेयर्स खरीदोगे, राइट? बट व्हाट इफ आई टेल यू द सेम 10,000 कैन हेल्प यू बाय स्टॉक्स वर्थ 40,000 rupees? Yes, with Invest Boost, IND Money's MTF feature, you can invest 4 times your wallet balance by paying only 25% of the order amount, while the remaining amount is instantly available to you from IND Money at just 0.04% interest per day. Invest Boost का logic simple है. With relatively lesser money, you get to own more stocks and access more market opportunities. Let's understand this better. सपोज आप 10,000 इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हो और एक स्टॉक का प्राइस 100 रुपए है. आप वैसे तो 100 शेयर्स ले पाओगे, राइट? पर इन्वेस्ट बूस्ट के साथ यू विल बी एबल टू इन्वेस्ट 4 टाइम्स योर वॉलेट बैलेंस. आप सिर्फ 100 शेयर्स नहीं बल्कि 400 शेयर्स बाय कर पाओगे. कंसिडरिंग 400 शेयर्स एट 100 रुपीज शेयर प्राइस, आपको ऑर्डर वैल्यू होएगा 40,000. नाउ लेट्स अज्यूम you hold this stock for 10 days and stock price 10 दिन में 5% बढ़ता है. Then the new share price will be 105 rupees. This 400 shares would make the total investment value 42,000 rupees. The profit earned on this investment will be 2,000 rupees. Now, taking into account the 0.04% per day interest for the boosted 30,000 rupees, for 10 days, the interest cost would be 120 rupees, making your final profit 1,880 rupees on the 10,000 invested by you. 10 दिन में 18.8% का return, which without Invest Boost सिर्फ 5% होता. Now coming to how you can place an Invest Boost order on IND Money. There's a super simple process for that. Stock choose करो, Invest Boost का checkbox enable करो, अपना order review and confirm करो, and it's done. अब अपनी position hold करो जब तक आप चाहो. On IND Money, you also have the option to place Invest Boost orders 24/7, not just during market hours. And to stay on top of your Invest Boost orders, you can get detailed reports for the interest, holdings, available balance, and more directly on the app. Now, considering returns in the stock market are never 100% guaranteed, you also need to be prepared if your investment runs into a loss. Let's understand this better as well. अगर same investment example को देखें, and the stock price falls by 5% in 10 days, then the new price per share will be 95 rupees. This means the total value of your 400 shares will now be 38,000 instead of 40,000. The loss incurred will be 2,000 rupees. Additionally, the interest for the boosted 30,000 for 10 days will still be 120 rupees. So आपका total loss will add up to 2,120 rupees. And this way, if your loss is near the 10,000 rupee mark, which was your original investment value, and your wallet balance goes negative, then IND Money will send you a margin call. This is a WhatsApp message and an email sent in advance informing you that your wallet balance is negative and that you will need to add some money or close your MTF position due to high losses on the position. If you don't add money or close your positions, then IND Money will automatically sell your MTF position to ensure that you do not lose more of your money. This is why it's important to use Invest Boost wisely. While it amplifies potential gains, it's crucial to manage your risk and invest responsibly.
Investment in the securities market is subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.